lentil soup, I am using these ingredients. I need 200 grams of red lentils. I have here 100 grams of wheat. I have 1 onion, 1 carrot, green or yellow or red pepper, whatever you have, sweet peppers, and I have here a chunk of celery root that I like to add to all my soups. I'm gonna add some of these hot pepper. I also have here a squash that I cut it big chunks. I have here tomato puree. I puree tomatoes and cook them a little bit on the stove. So I'm gonna use these spices: turmeric, thyme, ground cumin, bay leaves, chili powder, and peppercorns that I have here. I have here 4 teaspoons of oil and some salt. So all these are ingredients that I'm using to make my own lentil soup. There are many recipes on the internet, but this is how I'm making this soup. So let's proceed and start with the basics. First of all, I am going to wash the lentils and let them soften for a little while, and I'll do the same with the wheat. I'm gonna start boiling it in some water, so I want it to be soft, because this might take longer to boil than the lentils and the vegetables, so I rather start immediately with the wheat. So I washed the wheat and I just putting it in this pan with some hot water to cover it. So we let it boil, more like simmering for a few minutes until I finish chopping all the vegetables, and until the vegetables finish cooking. I'll show you the next step. So we let it simmer. So I washed the lentils and we let them wait, because we're going to add the lentils closer to the end. They're boiling very quickly. So we'll just start with the onion. we add the oil. All these vegetables, we're gonna put them in a pan and let them cook in oil a few minutes, and then we add the water. In the end, I'm gonna add parsley, and this is kale that I already chopped, so I'm gonna add this only in the end. The vegetables are cooked. I'm gonna start adding the water. Let them simmer. So I added 2.5 quarts of water, plain water. So here is the soup. The wheat is already boiled and is soft. I add the wheat. I chopped cubes from that yellow squash and I added to the soup at this moment. My vegetables are now boiled. You can see the wheat inside. And now I'm gonna add the lentils. We're gonna make our soup thicker, and we let them a few minutes to simmer, like 10 minutes or so, and come back. Now I'm gonna add the tomatoes. Give them a little color. Time for me to add all the spices. I'm gonna put chop a little bit of hot pepper. So I'm adding now the leafy greens. It looks beautiful. Everything is boiled. The lentils, you can't see the lentils anymore because they are melting inside. And I taste for salt. It needs more salt. So that's it. This is the soup. I hope you'll try it in the future. Please subscribe for more recipes like this one. And I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!